Alright everyone, we have some good news, we have some bad news. Be sure to drop a like because this is a lot of news and updates. Shiba Inu remains under pressure, and this is what the owner has replied of Shiba Inu. And yes, Shiba Inu continues to pull back after a recent upside move. Shiba Inu moved below 0.0008. It's heading towards the support at 0.07. And while the crypto remains under pressure after Bitcoin's failure to settle above the key resistance level at 40,000. Now this is posted by Yahoo Finance. Be sure to drop a like. I'll be fully explaining what's happening with Bitcoin, with crypto, and with, most importantly, Shiba Inu overall. I'm your host. Bitcoin has recently made an attempt to settle above the key resistance level, but what we can see here, it lost momentum and pulled back towards the decline at 37,000. The move put pressure on other cryptocurrencies. Ethereum declined towards the support at 2,300. Now Dogecoin took an even bigger hit. It settles below 30 cents. It will head towards the support at 28 cents. So it's obviously not looking good for Shiba Inu and all of these meme coins, which will be very bearish for Shiba Inu. And if Dogecoin does go below 30 cents, this could be very, very bad news. Obviously, Dogecoin is kind of good right now, is doing kind of bad. It's not doing neither of those, but the thing is, Dogecoin is the head of hype, and that's why we have to support Dogecoin. A lot of Shiba Inu holders actually do hold a lot of Dogecoin. A lot of Shiba Inu holders have started first investing into Dogecoin and then moved to Shiba Inu. From what I can see so far, if Dogecoin settles below 30 cents, so if it drops below 30 cents, this is going to be looking pretty bad for hype coins overall. I'm hoping you guys get some positive investment so far, but Shiba Inu has recently managed to sell below the 00 and is trying to test the next support at this price. In case Shiba Inu manages to settle below this level, it will head towards the support of, well, very bad. A very bad day for Shiba Inu if this happens. Obviously, we have a few numbers over here, but this article is basically mentioning that Shiba Inu could even, drop even more. From a big picture point of view, the recent attempt to gain upside momentum faced significant resistance at this price, which is worrisome development for the bulls. The technical picture for Dogecoin does not look good, and that's really bad. Like, this is a price prediction from Yahoo Finance themselves, which they have, a few analysts. Obviously, I'll just be going through the head here and seeing what's the brief. But another bearish factor for Shiba Inu, which is we could be entering in a bad stage. Basically, this article is saying this could be very, very bad. But the owner replied of Shiba Inu, who has developed Shiba Swap, at this point, it looks like that Shiba Inu will need additional upside catalyst to get back to the upside mode. So it will need a lot of updates, a lot of listings, which is happening, but it's still, the price is falling down. And as long as Bitcoin is falling, although there's some positive news as well. So this is, what the owner replied, not for long. Shiba Inu remains under pressure, and it's definitely under pressure. Everyone is super excited about this one. What we can see so far is Shiba Inu could, maybe he's referring to long term, maybe he's referring to short term, but I'm very excited to see what's next. It could be that Shiba Inu for 2021 has planned much more than we just might think. So what I can see so far is, this being a rocky summer, and I keep telling this to all my friends and you subscribers for free. Obviously, we can see here that, summer is going to be a rocky mountain right now with all the regulations and everything like that. A lot of bearish trends. But in the future, there's going to be a massive increase, which I'm super excited for, especially with more updates with Shiba Swap, with Shibarium, which Shibarium is its own blockchain, with more payments and adoption for Shiba Inu. When countries adopt Shiba Inu, when they accept it on cryptocurrency ATMs, that's when Shiba Inu will grow. Again, Shiba Inu is in such early stages, and if you're one of the first 500,000 holders, you're more early than you can think of. Shiba Inu at some point will have 10 million holders, and also the price will 10x. Right now we're at 180k members. It's growing steadily each single day with more listings, more exchanges. This should be, even more by the time the video is out. And I think, and what's the best thing is this subreddit was created on my birthday. Yes. Now, this is a good sign. This is a very bullish sign that we're going to be seeing, 1 million members at some point. This is a true snowball effect. But going back to it, here's what we can see. So Rafter is a well-known Indian rapper. Yo, heard Shib Army Rafter music. Let's talk ASAP. DM me. So the CEO is making big plans. Rafter is a well-known Indian rapper, and he just DM'd him. So we're gonna be talking with the Indian artist, and he's an Indian rapper who might, reach those Asian markets. I mean, they might make a Shiba Inu video. He has a few million followers, and this could be, a huge way to actually grow. This could be either marketing. This could either be a video about Shiba Inu. So far, this is pretty exciting. This is gonna have the big Indian support after the donation. This could turn out to be very promising. So keep your head up, Kings, because we're about to see a big bull run. If the CEO is saying that we're gonna be seeing something good, and the article is saying we could be seeing something bad. So this is either really bad or really good. Now, Shiba Inu is a good coin. And again, another influencer coming into Shiba Inu. And everyone is super excited. No, it's very, very, very good. And everyone is super excited about this because this is free marketing. We saw what happened with other coins where influencers had to be paid $100,000, $200,000. Shiba Inu gets all their marketing for free, and that's definitely a good sign. It tells you that these influencers are stepping forward and trust into Shiba Inu coin. It's definitely a good coin right now, and it needs zero sponsorship to succeed. Now, another good news after the bad news, Texas crypto users will soon able to be buy and sell tokens at major supermarket chain. So all Texans can now use crypto, and this is massive adoption. Again, if Shib gets accepted, Dogecoin is already accepted as a form of payment, but shoppers wanting to cash out their crypto holdings to buy their groceries may soon be able to do so at many HEB supermarkets in Texas. And everyone is super, super excited about this one. Obviously, this is big adoption and just small steps. Texas comes first, and when the 49 states join, that's when we're going to be seeing a big movement so far. So I'm really, really excited about this one, as you can hear in my voice. This is just the start of a big, massive growth, especially as Shiba Inu gets accepted in vendor stores and restaurants. It's already happening, for Paraguay, maybe for El Salvador. That's when we get the big growth. So Paraguay already started accepting, Shiba Inu, but we have a lot more adoption to follow. So we can see that Shiba Inu is number 4 trending coin right now, and that's what we saw. That's the most important thing. It's right behind Ethereum, right behind Polygon, right behind Bitcoin, and this is pretty good news. Like, it's more popular than Dogecoin right now, and it will definitely grow much faster. At this rate, it will outgrow Dogecoin. This doesn't mean Dogecoin will die, but it seems like Shiba Inu is the number 1 spot, and it definitely deserves so. Right behind, definitely the number 1 spot in meme coins. Yes, Bitcoin has been around for 10 years. Where will Shiba Inu be in 10 years? I'll definitely be here to talk about it, but we can also see Polygon, Ethereum, being here, staying here, and actually trusting the coin. But time for some fun speculation. We have been mentioned on CNBC. I already talked about it, but I wanted to add in other big news outlets traditionally watched by institutional investors. Now, this was big free marketing as Shiba Inu got on the mainstream TV to the US. Maybe one of the investors actually saw Shiba Inu and said, okay, I'm going to drop $1 million to Shiba Inu right now. No problem. And this really does accumulate because a lot of these big investors, institutional investors, are going to be buying these coins. And a leash is going to have, potential as well. Leash is not being talked much just yet, but in the future, we're going to be seeing much more. We also have petition. Let's help our brothers and sisters with the limited currency exchange option. And, these exchanges are popping off. Much more to add here, but these changes and petitions actually do help. Just like Coinbase, just like eToro, both got accepted, probably due to demand. And if there's enough demand, there will be, the supply will be given. So we can also see, in the future, we could be having like Shiba Inu product. So this is like a Shiba Inu beer. And I definitely do hope so. But for the most important thing, relevant tweet that did not age well. And Bitcoin has stabilized at almost exactly $14 per coin. I'm tired of waiting for a jump, so I'm taking the loss and getting my cash back. And those who sold at low prices do not deserve to get the high profit. So if we see here 15 July, I mean, this is almost 10 years ago, and you're missing out. This guy probably missed out on a lot of money, but we can see so far we're not missing out. I'm definitely holding so far. So that's really exciting to see. Anyway, be sure to subscribe for more content, drop a like, and see you until next time. Peace, everyone.